Well, hello, diamonds, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back, and I'm reintroducing my channel to you guys that wasn't here. Um, that wasn't here before, but my name is Diamond, Black Diamond. I've been on YouTube for quite a while, about 7 years, but I had took a break, life, single motherhood, and things like that. So I really had to get my mind right. And with this quarantine going on and this lockdown, so I thought it'd be a great idea to actually come back and reintroduce myself. It's a lot of things I want to talk about on this channel. We're going to have fun. We're going to be talking about health, relationships, losing a loved one. But like I said, where I've been being a mother, I've been working. I really wanted to basically get to know me, and grow, and everything's going great right now so far. Of course, my daughter, she's 10 now. My beautiful daughter, actually, she's going to be one of my co-hosts, and you will see her also. But as far as like my health is pretty good. Nothing's major's going on. And also dealing with depression. Dealing with depression in the Black community is not talked about and is frowned upon. But we should basically, talk about it. We need to talk about it in the Black community, because a lot of people are frowned upon that. Oh, you fine, you just gotta pray about it. No, you need to talk about it and let it out. And also, we'll be discussing on my channel losing someone close to you. I lost my father in March, and that was very devastating to me. And dealing with that, it's an emotional roller coaster. Single motherhood, how to manage it, how to maintain, be a great mother. Full-time, I work full-time. Being a full-time mother is not easy at all, but I manage it. She's doing pretty good, in school and everything. She's an amazing child, and I love her. She's actually right there, so you will see her soon in some of the videos. And also, this video I'll be doing DUIs. I'm trying to look and see what the camera is, so bear with me. We'll be doing DUIs. I like doing crafts. Fashion, I'll be doing makeup. Making wigs, teaching you how to make wigs. Actually, I didn't make this wig. I actually bought this. This is a good unit. If you like this wig, actually I can give you the link. It's Instagram wig, honey. But yeah, I give you the link if you would like this wig, or you would like for me to view it. First and foremost, like I said, depression is real, guys. Depression is real, and when you're dealing with depression, you need positive people around you that give you great energy and vibes. And I like to take a moment to basically shout out my beautiful friend, Bebebeauty. She has really supported me along the way. She's a great friend of mine, and she also has a channel. And she always tells me, "Tammy, you're so talented. Get back on YouTube," with her cute little accent. She has encouraged me and motivated me to basically come back on YouTube. So thank you so much, Bebebeauty, and I really do appreciate you. You are a beautiful person. You have a beautiful spirit. I love your energy, and thank you for always supporting me and encouraging me to get back on YouTube. And her name is Bebebeauty. I'm sorry if I said it wrong. She's gonna kill me because she's probably watching it. Bebebeauty. I will leave her link on the bottom. She does fashions. She does vlogs. She does health videos and things like that with her beautiful children. So please go check her out, and I'll leave her link on the bottom. And that's basically what I want to come on here and do, and basically just do another intro, letting you know that I'm back. It's been years, but it's never too late to come back. And I'm going to be talking about health and basically my journey of getting my teeth fixed, because it's a real expensive journey. So I'll be vlogging my experience. I got to get some ridge work done and things like that, and I'll be letting you know if you want to know about that. But like I said, I wasn't gonna come out here long. I'm just gonna ask you guys how you doing. How you doing? How have you been? I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you so much. All my people out there in the YouTube world, reach out to me. Let me know what you want to do, what you want to see. I want this to be fun. I'm going to be doing mother and daughter vlogs, along with doing things for on this channel. Just let me know what you want to see. Bear with me. I got to get my setup right. I have to get, you know, a new computer, and right now the quality might be a little bit different because I'm posting on my cell phone, because my computer actually is in the shop. It crashed on me, so I got to get another one. So you guys let me know how you guys are doing. I'm glad to be back, and I cannot wait to hear from you guys. You know, how you been? How you been with all this craziness going on, this pandemic, this election? Oh my goodness, this is just too much. But just let me know what you guys want to see from me. Like I say, bear with me as I get my setup. I want to talk about a lot of things. We're gonna have so much fun over here, guys. I did say once I move into my new apartment, I will finish do videos, and I've been here for almost 2 years. We're gonna be doing apartment tours. We're gonna be doing DUIs with my daughter, and just let me know what you think, guys. Like I say, my name is Black Diamond, aka Ebony. So just let me know what you guys want to see from my channel. I'm so happy to be back. Very happy to be back. And just bear with me. And all my diamonds, thank you for the support. Thank you for staying subscribed to my channel. And like I say, a special shout out to Bebebeauty. Thank you for motivating me. And just stay tuned for more uplifting, exciting videos on my channel. Bye, diamonds.